In Africa, our 20 MVA 66 kV transformer is being installed at the heart of a new photovoltaic project.
Hey my friends, you see this is our 20 MVA transformer installation at Africa. The quality is very good and you can see our engineer is here guiding the client to installation and inspection.
From design to installation, every step reflects our pursuit of excellence, with our engineers providing professional support. The process is safe, efficient, and reliable.
The transformer installation is difficult, you think?
Yeah.
I mean the transformer installation is difficult for you or not?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Very good?
Yeah.
Very easy, right?
To maintenance, very good.
Thank you.
This installation not only delivers stable, clean power, but also lights the way for the future of renewable energy in Africa.